Hey everyone, I hope you're all good, yeah? Spring's just round the corner. Happy about that. I was going to go live, yeah, but I'm not going to. Just going to film it and then post it. Whew. So, about the nature of reality, yeah? Right, remember me walking down here and the bottle disappearing, yeah? Plastic bottle. Well, 2 nights ago, I went up in the dark, middle of the night, clearing the area with the, with the trees, the one that I keep tidy. So I'm down in the hill and undergrowth. I threw up 3 cans onto the path, and then I worked my way around, clearing the whole area, yeah, the grove. Walked up at the end, no cans weren't there. Disappeared, the exact same as that bottle, yeah. So, very helpful. But no wonder I can't find things in the house sometimes, do you know what I mean? Right, absolutely true. It's got a multi-dimensional reality, no doubt about it, yeah. Yes. Beautiful day, yeah. I'm just on my way down, taking a walk down to Gurrock. Been a beautiful day anyway, blessings are sent as usual. Got plenty of signs, spirit and nature are listening. They respond all the time. Yeah, check this one out, yeah. Right, synchronicities and stuff, yeah, and things appearing and disappearing. Well, see the 2 cactuses, my 2 friends, my cactus brother and sister, but on the windowsill, yeah, like for ages I was like, oh, I've got to get them a bigger pot, so I got a couple of pots, transferred them from one pot to the other. The whole living room was totally clean, nothing about. I walked in and what's sitting on the living room floor, a receipt from the day for them 2 cactuses, from like, it was something like July or August 2021 when I bought them, and this receipt looks brand new, not a wrinkle on it or anything. So I'm like, well, was it stuck to the inside of the pot or something? That's not possible. It would have been a mess, it would have been dirty, it was flipping looked as if it was from yesterday or something, and I've got no idea where that came from. Wasn't, do you know what I mean? I've moved the cactuses loads of times, man, there was no receipt there. And I didn't even do anything for an old receipt to pop up. Maybe just a thank you from the cactus Matako Yelison. It's funny that, because that is actually a sacred circle now, Depending on your perspective, everything's different. So I come down the other day and that, just the top of that was sticking up the thing. So it was like bobbing up and down and sending out vibrations from that sacred circle all around the planet. Oh, do you know what? I haven't been keeping this steady the whole time, man. You could have been all over the place there. Wasn't looking at it. Yeah, I'm proud to come from this area, you know. If as places on earth goes, love Scotland. There's loads of people with heritage here from all around the world, man. But like, people are just people anyway. Do you know what I mean? Might have different cultures, but behind the culture, everyone's the same. That's from shipbuilding up there. Ooh. 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 Now see, that's where just a little bit ooh. 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 Remember, love is a river, yeah. Good medicine flowing all round Earth Mother. Blessings, Mitako Yoyusin.